Basically, the loader contains two controllers, a rotation controller and a bouncing controller. Bouncing animation, shadow animation, and a variable to identify if the ball is touched the floor or not. Before starting the animation, let us come to the widget part. Basically, the widget is a column with two children, a bouncing widget and a shadow widget. The bouncing widget has a child called rotation widget. The rotating widget is an animated builder. It has a child ball widget. Ball widget is simply the asset file from the assets folder. In case you are having a project related to vehicles, you can replace the Dribbble ball file with the tire file given in the assets folder. The shadow widget is a basic animated opacity and an animated container that changes its height, color and the opacity with respect to the shadow animation value. So let us jump into the animation. Rotation controller is initialized here and it is responsible for the rotations, and it depends upon the rotation duration that we have set here. Basically, I have set the rotation duration into 150 milliseconds. In case you want to increase the speed of the rotation, you can change it to 350 or 500 milliseconds. Bouncing controller is initialized here and it is responsible for the movement of the ball. Bouncing animation and the shadow animation both are depending upon the bouncing controller values. When the ball touches the floor, the size of the shadow is reduced. We are listening to the status of the rotation controller and the bouncing controller here. Once the ball touches the floor, we set it to inverse. Hope you understand the basics. We'll see you soon in the next video. Have a great day.